welcome back on Sunday Night Show.
That thing no go work. That thing you think that you want to even fall somebody's hand. If you like, let us come back to you. 10 seconds, you off your something. Nothing will ever happen.
We'll not send you. Anyway, when I welcome back on Sunday Night Show, our phone lines don't they open. We're gonna begin the call us. Our phone numbers they on top of your TV. We discuss workplace dressing and the HR expert herself, Bimioni, they for inside studio. We'll be the talk before we go break. Perfume. Over to you.
Maybe the kind of perfume we be say it good day overpowering.
How's perfume?
No, that kind of.
Then some where you don't pass for corridor like 2 hours. Everybody go know say, they do just pass.
Or that kind of perfume. Easy be there around there.
Yeah.
He said, I smell easy bit. No, I smell quesero.
So which means it depends on the perfume where you buy.
Not be say it depends. It depends on the intensity, how you spray them. Maybe you take a bath from head to toe.
You don't say it up.
And some people no sabi and they spray perfume.
They go say because they say 90 degrees to something, they will call start. Then they go start another side again. Say, this is my hair.
Normally, I get a spray perfume. They say you go spray and they can't waka enter inside the perfume. Yes. That is the normal way of spraying perfume. Not be say you go spray for body. Spray for up.
Waka
then waka enter inside
the
come down. No, that's not going to work. Original perfumes will work.
Break the bottle for body.
Then it gets some points for person body where if you put
here like this for here like this.
Especially if you're going for parties. You're going for parties, dinner, luncheons. If you just do pim. You're fine.
No.
Then if you just
the talk. Some people when I know
go start from here.
Spray the perfume for you. Then you go do.
Then shoe. Come on, shoe.
Then open the perfume.
Then they say, well kept, polished shoes. Not go wear the one where the shoe, They go see the dust from.
No. They go use groundnut oil and clean the
shine.
shoe.
They say they polish the shoe.
Use groundnut oil.
Hello, good evening.
Hello.
Good evening, sweetheart. How is you?
I'm fine. No, I'm not there.
Good day, fine. Which question you get to ask or your contribution?
Now I don't. Now that perfume aspect where she talk.
Okay.
Sister, good evening.
Good evening.
How about you?
Fine, thank you.
Easy beat.
Hi, good evening.
How about you?
Really fine, huh?
When I'm ready done.
Ask your question now.
Okay. You know, so some of us, we they like to mix perfume. You know, because you could just take one particular perfume. You take some, you know. Sometimes they talk and say, we don't want to make person know the actual perfume we use. Okay. How you take see that one?
You don't ask for finish.
Hello?
You don't ask finish. Akaraka.
No, hold on.
You don't hold us down. Call again.
I don't forget to talk before.
Bye.
Okay.
Thank you. So make she answer you now. Oh, okay. She don't even need to answer you.
Yeah.
Normal question because if one perfume day and that perfume day, then get their own strength. You can't join two of them together. It's strong. It goes strong past the normal strength of the
some perfume,
of the
some
smell.
two perfume like that. If they mix, you know they come out. The smell, no, they
the
find.
smell, not they always some.
Now talent to mix.
Yeah, exactly. They didn't refer you to mix perfume together when you say it will work well.
Then if you look and we say, why you they mix?
They say she
don't want
make
person say,
know the perfume.
na Christian Dior you wear.
No, these are now Jojo Ezemobo Egus.
Okay, now.
Faith, good evening.
Hello?
Good evening. How you doing, Faith?
Hello?
Hello. Hey, Honan.
Hello, good evening.
Faith, good evening. Now, easy with one.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Good evening.
What ask?
Good evening. Nana to hear the good
She they take us laugh.
Bye. Reduce your. I beg if they call us, reduce your TV volume. You not good know you dey hear yourself when you talk. No swagger dey inside them.
But why people don't?
Now devil walk. No, they resist the devil. Continue.
Then this one is for men. They say avoid ankle socks with slacks. You see, if you cross your leg, yes, for interview, or maybe if you cross leg, and the trouser lift up small. Ideally, the trouser.
Yes.
If your skin they show, it's wrong. Yes.
Okay, so you must wear
your
socks.
supposed to be appropriate length. Okay. When we say if your trouser shift, as I cross leg now, if I be man, if my trouser just lift up small, my skin suppose no show. Now my socks suppose show.
So make
yeah. Some people they wear gym wear socks.
Yes.
Because na trouser they wear, they say they no go no.
My sister all na socks.
Come wear gym wear socks. As I open like you go just see all this.
You don't see the teddy bear socks where people they wear. They wear teddy bear socks.
Different colors.
Hey, all the socks.
Or SpongeBob. SpongeBob Superman socks.
Then for women.
No, but for this socks matter, make I ask.
Okay.
Socks for man, corporate wear. Socks we get design. In all good made wear. I've been a plain socks.
They say dark colors command more respect. Yes.
But that colors now fit dirty. Nobody go know say dirty.
Or neon green.
Or yellow.
Or yellow. As you just lift your grey fine suit like this. They go just see.
But now fashion now, they see some kind of men with it. Now fashion now, I guess some kind of men they go dress wear. They come with the socks. You see socks, yellow socks.
You know say
match with
you know say if socks black like this, the person fit don't wear them for 2 weeks. You know. You go wear them again now, and they go say, oh wow, oh it's looking so dapper.
Now I beg, this is nothing. It hard though.
It hard. Now just common general knowledge. You know hard.
So you mean say for offices now, but how many offices do this thing where they talk?
They do them.
But you know good.
They do them.
But that's true. So you know.
Some people they do them. They don't know say na it dey wrong to do them. Some people just sit down carelessly like just they talk. You go just see neon green, or you see gym wear socks.
Because they think say say nowadays fashion. If Casey fit wear traffic light cloth.
Hey!
No, I'm just saying.
Casey, leave Casey. It's a fashion icon.
So everybody are fashion icons.
Continue.
Then this one applies to women. They said if you don't do proper pedicure, you know, say some people they come office wear Pt.2. Nothing wrong. If you want day fashionable, you go come see the nail polish. You don't chop like half.
Yes.
And they go wear Pt.2 come office.
Can they feel themselves?
Can they go up and down? They don't send them anywhere. Can they go up and down? People must see this my blue.
Meanwhile, nothing. Your toe is so untidy.
Full bar. Yeah.
Hello.
Okay.
Hello.
Now the name.
What is your name?
My name na Fulba.
Fuba.
Fulba from Ibadan.
Oh, you talking now with the you nigga wanna be.
Are you with me?
I am with you, full back or half back.
If you like say, I don't they take me talk with the go, I don't even care to take my call.
Now, no, not be also. For what now?
Would it not be us?
I would hear you.
That kind thing.
Oh, ask your question.
My question be say, say office is very different from office.
Yes.
Now place where person they chop. When they make money, now be in office.
Okay.
As you day now, you say you dress like person will be upcoming star. Me, I don't see you say now be upcoming star. You be like kidnapper. Now so kidnapper the dress. You understand me? And they do, and the other guy when he call him say you be that one a cool guy. He be like upcoming artist. Your dress will be like kidnapper. You understand?
Bama.
Go. So, I beg, if you want dress, look at the dress well.
Fuba, now your mouth. I don't. Okay, no wonder.
Fuba.
My name.
Fuba.
I don't hear you.
How many times I call you?
You
So
call me like
wait. So you call me to insult me, Akwaya? You got your name because they answer Fuba. Which kind of person goes sit down answer Fuba?
Nobody.
My brother, you will not make heaven. You know why you not go make heaven? Because you go reach heaven that day. God go ask you what's in your name.
Not in your mouth. I go yes, I go make heaven now.
You go see Fuba. God go check Fuba. No Fuba. Hellfire. Bye. Continue.
So then say if you want to wear Pt.2, make sure say your nails they well groomed. Not be say the thing go don't chop the nail color safe. Some people they do different nail color. You go see green, red. You see go don't chop.
Now. Yeah, and they see that different nail color. You go see black.
Yes.
You go
green,
see yellow.
orange,
They just mix
red.
up.
Green, yellow, blue,
So they say
red,
make sure say your nails they well groomed.
Okay, John. Good evening. John.
Yeah. Dear John.
Hello. The credit don't finish. Continue.
Okay. Then they say don't over accessorize. See, women, they go put bangle for hand. Carry pen, one press system. You go just hear, as they turn the system.
The one with the
one big phone, you go
big
see
mouse.
The
You just hear bang. Don't over accessorize. Then for neck, you go see some people. The thing go start from here. You reach here. For office, put pearl.
Maybe you get people where they define
put
for
gold.
No, you get what.
Put. Then for
you go not get
yourself.
particular target for that office.
The one where they annoy me for ladies, I don't go like if they irritate me to hear. Now when girl they type, had their nail, you go the nails, you go the hair and as you go the scratch as if it's a foul.
Now fake acrylic they use. If you use the real one, you won't hear anything now. Pim, 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 pim. Like this one now real. Don't say I put anything. Yes now. Pim, 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 pim. You don't go hear anything.
Continue.
They say your jewelry shouldn't make noise at all. Not be say as you they go for corridor, then they hear as your bangle they do bing 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 bing. Then you go sit down, they go know where you dey your seat. When you sit there again, bam, they go hear as your pearls they shake.
If we pick for God, chagaram, hey, chagaram, chagaram, chagaram. If we make music from it,
then all your colleagues go they look themselves. When they begin laugh.
Then you want go somebody else table. Say, hey, make I tell you that thing. When they say you put hand, bagam, they hear say she has left her seat.
Chagaram, chagaram.
She has left her seat. Then they say, for men, facial hair shouldn't overwhelm your face.
No one also handle. This English is too much.
So you know that beard not supposed to fool your face.
You know, it's supposed they well trimmed.
My own uncle.
You know, say your own are goatee. They said goatee. It depends on your choice. You go look your face.
You are working with a goat. Oh my God. Yeah, they do. Where is your goat?
I don't know.
They said your facial hair should not be bushy.
Okay.
It should be well trimmed. It should be properly groomed.
Casalla own it be like goat now.
You don't see Albert.
No, Albert, no.
Albert.
No wonder you not green
It be
for
like
Albert be like wildlife.
Albert be like Iroko tree.
No, wildlife.
And it twist am.
Exactly.
Twist your own.
Come, you see the goatee for here. You can't twist am. You know that Aladdin.
Maybe one do that.
That cartoon with the wall.
Aladdin, and
the say the thing just twist. So facial hair. They say your facial hair should be properly groomed.
My own then groom and well.
Your own you groom and well.
Allah.
Then they say if you want to try the grow beard there, make you they try do am for maybe weekends. You know when men they try the grow hair.
Yes, weekend.
They get space. Some people
say
go
no, they
come.
fine.
Some people go come. You go see here. It seems be like they don't chop.
Angel, good evening.
Good evening.
Angel, how is you?
Yeah.
It's fine, and you?
Fine. You get question to ask, I mean you get contribute.
I get question to answer.
Oh, easy fit or Auntie B?
Okay, I have a friend.
Yeah.
She normally goes to all these dressing social media, like this Camdora.
Okay.
Check for clothing styles.
Okay.
And I noticed one thing about Camdora. Most of their dressings, they go with heels.
Okay.
Or tiptoe shoes. But when she dresses like that, she normally goes with all these flat shoes, like kind of lecture or outing.
Okay.
Our question is, are there some clothes that go with heels?
Okay.
And some that do go with flat shoes, sandals?
Okay. Anyway, thank you very much, Angel. We'll answer you now. Thank you.
Angel, our fashion consultant. Will answer you that question.
No worry. If you end call now, we'll answer you.
Okay, thank you.
What happened? We say if you look at the dress where we see where those women wear, they were in heels.
Yes.
So it looks absolutely nice. But in the workplace, they said the impression where that one they get, we say, if I wear high heels now, for that my kind of office where they go up and down, now we say, I no be team player.
Okay.
I no be team player because
you not consider
what that
other
heel,
people.
Exactly. What that high heel is telling other people, or what are they portray, be say, I beg no disturb me. I know if they go up and down with these high heels. So you be say, if I want to do something, you go call for intercom. Hey, help me bring.
Because because everybody will see you wear high, they go say this one now. You know go face sign. If you sign, you go tell say
exactly.
You don't want
movie high. Exactly. I leg they pay me. I know if you do. I know say no if you wear slippers for
Then
office.
who send you a message now to go and wear high shoes?
So they say for team, if you want to be a team player, like a HR note, wear flats. Because with flats, I feel rush that, go that angle, make photocopy, come back, my phone they ring, pick my intercom, transfer some documents, you fit move up and down.
I want to ask now. Now, when they appropriate to wear high heels and flats?
Basically, no be say like we don't talk am for workplace now. If my work environment be say, of course, now office, now no be say I can't sit down the paint nails, make everybody see my shoe. It go day advisable. Okay. Make I wear flats. Okay. But if I dey go like external meeting, where I know say, not be say I go dey walk around. Now from there to the conference room. Yeah, if you do fitted dress on heels.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Francis Uche say he get as some girls go dress in the morning, go work. You go sabi say they go seduce man for office. That one na sexual harassment. Francis, if it don't happen to you before, it's okay. Sorry, no be quarrel inside.
Anyway, and the last point before Kariwa come for
they say wear rich colors to portray authority. Now let me go on.
Rich colors.
Exactly. Pay attention to your color choices.
Yeah.
Darker colors usually convey a stronger impression than lighter colors.
That you dey more serious than.
Yeah.
If you wear darker colors, you dey more. It should say you dey more serious.
They say make sure the color you're wearing doesn't blend with the background behind you.
Anke rule and regulation.
Wow. Like now, people they like to wear. They say Friday, can't wear blue jeans, Can't wear neon orange or neon blue.
Turquoise blue.
When we say can't wear red shoe. When we say from Eco Atlantic, you go cut. People don't they see them.
Okay.
Be fine. They say make you dress casual, the dark colors, but not be say make you dress as if you dey more. But at least use darker colors convey more authority. People look at you and like, okay, yeah, this person is serious.
Okay. Well, and here we go. Back break for today. Everything we'll get to talk about today for Inside Ministry Monday. Today we'll discuss workplace dressing. Workplace dressing. We'll continue next week, Abi.
Because people go on send us questions.
Okay. Okay. What's going to happen?
Yes.
Well, send us your questions at W9 Show on top Twitter, and then for our Facebook handle as well. Send us questions so that by next week Monday when we come back, we'll go tackle all on our questions when I don't ask on top workplace dressing. Double twirl to HR expert Bomi Oniwe Carrier can give us information today as usual. And those of you that wait say when I go pay for the thing. We never see una money. We only go give una her account number. Double twirl to our producers, K-Moss, K-Solo, Big Bash, Shapali, and every other person we join. And then to our DJ of the Spirit of the Living,
yes,
DJ Easy Beat. And then Katimi her tooth.
Her tooth.
The pinna. Tooth. The pinna. Anyway, until tomorrow, una good night.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. No darling.